So the question here is, a simple pendulum of length L and having a bob of mass capital M is suspended in a car. The car is moving on a circular track of radius capital R with a uniform speed capital V. If the pendulum makes small oscillations in a radial direction about its equilibrium position, what will be its time period? Acceleration due to gravity is g in downwards direction. Centripetal acceleration due to the circular movement of the car is ac. So AC is equal to V squared by capital R in the horizontal direction. Effective acceleration is G dashed equals root over of G squared plus AC squared. And it is again equal to G squared plus V to the power 4 divided by R squared. The time period is T dashed. So T dashed, we can write T dashed as equal to 2 pi root over of L by G dashed. Now if we put in the value of this in place of G dashed, we can get the value of T dashed.